Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can convert your image into a text that you can copy. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to turn your image into a text that you can copy, it's actually pretty easy. Let me show you how. So let's say that this is the image that you want to turn into a text, for example. To do that, first, I want you to go to your Google or any web browser on your device. After you open your Google, next, go search for this. And after searching, you will be directed to this website. So this website is what we will use to convert our image into a text that we can copy. So to convert your image into a text, just tap this. And then right here, all of your images will appear, so just select the image that you want to convert into a text. And once you've selected the image, tap Done. And after that, your image will now be uploaded. Just tap Submit and Extract to convert it into a text. After you tap it, the website will now start converting your image into a text. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, the converted text version will now finally appear. Just copy it by tapping this. And after you copy the text, just paste it wherever you want to. And then there you go, it's done. Congratulations, you have now converted your image into a text. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.